Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are starting off in the spare room. I got a wardrobe from IKEA and I'm just trying to organise all of our clothes. This day took me like 5 hours and in the end I just stopped filming and gave up because it was stressing me out so much. Not everything has to be done in one day. So the first day is just me. You see me sighing a lot in this video. Something to organise some clothes and then we move on to a couple of days later where I actually get the rest of the spare room done. Moving on, we're just going to organise the laundry, give everything a wipe down. I do need to get some new baskets, but I kind of want a cupboard here instead of the bath, like the cube unit. I kind of want, like a 6 chest of drawers. And then we carpet clean because Poppy decided to throw up on the carpet on this morning. She's got into the habit of taking herself, she eats her food too quick, takes herself all the way upstairs to the carpet and decides to throw up there instead of, on the laminate flooring, but I think that's just an orange cat thing. in the carpet cleaner, I just have some diluted laundry liquid, which makes it smell really nice, and it also gets up like all of the grime and all of the dirt. I'm just using the Sephora bathroom cleaner and giving the upstairs bathroom a good scrub. This was one of those rooms that I just haven't touched in a while, and it just had like dust and all sorts of soap situations everywhere, so we're just gonna scrub this and then mop our way out. But I don't use the mop in this room. I always just use, like, I'm always on my hands and knees just scrubbing away. I'm just using the Collado vacuum cleaner on the stairs, and we're just going to quickly run down the stairs. I always put off hoovering the stairs when it actually takes me like 5 minutes. Moving on to the kitchen, we're just going to situate and scrub all of the dishes. doing? And all of the pets decided to just watch me clean on this day. They all wanted to be in the same room as me. They're all so cute. I had some lemons left over from cooking, so I just thought I would attempt to scrub the hob with these first, as apparently like lemon is good for as like a natural cleaner. And then I went in with my Cif cream cleaner and got all of the stains off the hob. And then wiping down the sides, Harriet is just obsessed with being near me all the time. She's so cute. So I just pick her up, right down the sides, and then put her back down. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.